Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today my teammate and I will present about manufacturing process and technology Lego. So firstly, group members of my teammate is FAISZAM bin ISNIN. Next is Muhammad IKHWAN bin ANUAR. Third is FIKHRI bin AZMADI. And lastly is myself, Muhammad AKMAL HAZIM bin ABDUL. Okay, for the introduction of this Lego is a Danish toy production company based in Boulogne called the Lego Group. It is founded by Ole Christensen in 1932, and it is best known as plastic bricks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akmal Hazim bin Abdul. My ID number is 2019266014. So I will talk about control parameters during process. Firstly is materials. Cellulose acetate was the polymer used from 1949 until 1963. In 1963, Lego changed the plastic. Their bricks were made from to another polymer, which is acrylonitrile, butadiene styrene, or for the short is ABS. ABS has several advantages over cellulose. Acetate is stronger wrap, less over time, and is more resistant to color fading. The only downside was that unlike cellulose acetate, ABS is opaque, so transparent Lego parts cannot be made from it. Next is Lego quality control. Okay, when it comes to the paint experience, when you treat on a piece of Lego, ABS is to blame. So there run some tests. So tests include compression between discs with a force of 15 kilograms and dropping objects on bricks to ensure they don't break on impact. Next is one test even simulates a 50 kilogram child stepping on a Lego piece to ensure it doesn't break or splinter. Next is the average force 2 times 2 Lego piece can withstand is 4,240 newtons, equivalent to being stood on by someone with around 430 kilograms. In short, Lego bricks are essentially designed to be painful to treat on it.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad FAISZAM bin ISNIN. My student number is 2019202438. So I'm going to continue about the process manufacturing Lego. So the first step is the Lego manufacturing process. Start with tiny granules of ABS brought by the lorry load to factories. Here they are dumped into a giant metal cellulose, then fit into the molding machine where the heated to 230 degrees Celsius, or in Fahrenheit will be 450 Celsius Fahrenheit. Next step is dismelt granules, processing a plastic go, which is automatic fit into the Lego parts mold. Next step, the molding machine applies pressure to ensure that the Lego parts are perfectly formed. Then they're cooled and ejected. The last part is after this, any necessary decoration and are added, and parts need to be put together, such as minifigure are assembled. So what I can conclude from the manufacturing process is the first one is cauterization, where chemical bonding happen, and second is transportation. Third is injection molding. Next is collection. Fifth is mechanical fastening. Six is packaging, and the last one is full product complete. Next, we're gonna go for the safety procedures. So the first procedure safety is use tool and machinery properly, because if you not use a machine properly, improper use of tool and machine can mean a number of different things, including using the wrong tool for a task, not knowing how to properly use a machine, or using heavy machine and tool without a proper training. Before you use any type of machine or tool at work, make sure that you have received proper procedure and safe training. If you don't know how to use the machine, please don't use, because it will make your in a danger. Next is wear protective equipment such as glove, hard hats, goggles, ear protection, body protection can prevent serious injury in most environments. Necessary PPE varies from job to job but should protect your physical. Next is be aware of your surrounding. Knowing all the hazard in your workplace is important to staying safe. You need to be on the lookout for any potential dangerous situation or moving machinery. Even if the area seems clear, you need to constantly scan a hazard can occur at any time. Next is the last one. Follow correct procedure. Don't take shortcut. Shortcut might seem like a good idea, and in order to save time, but not following the proper procedure increase the likelihood that we'll do something incorrect. Performing a task incorrect can lead you to injury immediately, or in the future you can cost your company time and money. So please follow the safety procedure. Thank you.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. And very good evening. My name is AIMAN FIKHRI bin AZMADI, and I am my metric card number is 2019806226. Okay, today I am from group B5. Okay, today I would like to discuss about advantages and disadvantages for the injection molding process. Let's go. Okay, the shape molding is the one of the most commonly used method of producing identical plastic product in high volume. Okay, the first advantage for this type of this injection molding process is production and higher efficient. Injection molding can produce an incredible amount of parts per hour speed, depend on complexity and size of the mold. Okay, next, low level cost. Plastic injection molding is an automatic process whereby a majority of process is performed by machine and robotic, which a sole operator can control and manage. Last but not least, design flexibility. The molds themselves are subjected to extremely high pressure. As the result, plastic within the mold is press hardened and allow for a larger amount of the detail to be imprinted onto the part and for complex or intricate shape to the manufacturer. However, there are some disadvantages for the injection molding process. The first one is high tooling costs and low setup lead time. Upfront costs are high due to design, testing and tooling required. Next, part design restriction. Plastic part must be designed with injection molding consideration and must follow the basic rule of injection molding. Last but not least, small run-off part can be costly. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad IKHWAN bin ANUAR. I'm from class J4AM 1104B. So, next, I will explain about the 3 defects that happen in this process. For the first one is flow line. Flow line are streaks, pattern or lines commonly often in color. Injection molding plastic begins it through the pipe to link via an entry section called its gate. It then flow through the tool cavity and start to cool. Flowline effects are caused by a varying speed at which the molten plastic flow as it changes through the contour or bends inside the mold tool. They also occur when the plastic flow through section with varying wall thickness, or when the injection speed is too low, causing the plastic to solidify at different speed. The next defect is sin mark. Sin mark are small crater or depression that develop in thicker area of the injection mold for the plastic to fully cool and cure while in the mold. They can also be caused by pressure in the cavity or by an excessive temperature at the gate. All else being equal, thick section of the injection molded part take longer to cool than thin one, and so are many likely to be where sin marks are located. And the last one is vacuum void. Vacuum void are usually caused when there no enough plastic in the mold, and as the plastic cool, it leaves empty space as the plastic start to shrink. Where the plastic touch the mold, it cool first, meaning the bubble will not be visible. We can avoid this effect with higher pressure and times, getting in more plastic through higher injection. Pressure and second stage time can get neat plastic into the mold. That's all from us. Thank you.